Checking out my new outdoor battery from NESTOUT. They call it an outdoor battery because it's ruggedized and it's water resistant. So we've got two tops here. If we look on here, one of them is labeled in, and this one has USB-C for charging. It also has a regular USB there and a second one here. Either of these can be used to run devices even when it's charging. Now this one's a full 15,000 megajoules or whatever, and it'll last a good long time. This one is also neat because, like I say, you can charge it and run items at the same time. So use this while you're out and about. When you get back, you can charge this and your items all at the same time with one charging port. If you want to test how if it's working or where the battery levels are, you tap the button just once and you'll get a quick indication there. Now if you want to turn the unit on, you hold down the power button and that blue light will come on to indicate that it's on. This one also has a low power mode, so if we tap the power button, it'll go into a flashing blue light here, and that flashing blue light indicates that it's in what they call gear mode. So if you're just going to run low power devices that don't need a lot of juice, we can take it out of that mode by just tapping the button twice again. And then of course, to turn it off completely, hold the button down. Really nice unit from NESTOUT. Hope this helps.